time I told you, but I guess I'm too slow. I'm not necessarily romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me. And I was alone. And I opened my eyes, you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I won't change things, leave just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's made me feel strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type of dreams there could be more. When you were there, and you were everything I've never seen. You woke me up from this long endless sleep, and I was alone.